Hello everyone, today's flow will be especially beneficial if you have middle back, lower back pain, and it will also help if you have sciatica pain. All you need is a chair propped up against a wall and a cushion for this practice. So you can pause this video and prepare the setup, and let's begin. For the first asana, you need to bring your elbows on the edge of the chair. The knees will be hip width apart. Just watch first, and we will extend our torso, bringing our forehead onto the edge of the chair, and our hands will fold. Now you see the spine is curving here, and you'll feel a beautiful extension in your middle back, in your lower back, while the hips go up. So come into this pose, Uttana Shishuasana with chair support. So you can do this even in office. After driving for long hours, you may experience backache or sitting on your desk. So you can try this anytime. Now once you're here, take 5 deep breaths and just allow your breath to open up the tight areas, to decompress your spine. Feel the elongation in your armpits as well. One more deep inhale. And with your exhale, gently come up. Now for the next pose, keep a cushion right next to the chair, adjacent to the legs of the chair. Now just see what I'm doing. We will place the right knee on the cushion and the right foot will come on the chair. So the back of the foot is on the chair. With the left leg, we will come up. The knee is at a 90-degree angle. And you'll feel a stretch here in your quads and your upper thigh. And here, if you feel comfortable, just take a back bend, open the arms and cactus, and feel the stretch in your spine. So your spine is curving here. That's what we want. Now take the shoulder blades towards each other. The chest is open, and take 5 deep breaths. Very nice. With your exhale, first release the arms. Now we'll do this on the other side. So left knee is on the cushion this time. The left foot is on the chair. The right leg comes at a 90-degree angle. And just adjust the leg in a way that you feel a stretch in your left quad. Now with your inhale, take cactus arms. Gentle bend in the back if available, and open the chest and breathe. Very nice. Release your hands, release the knee, gently come out of the pose. The next pose is Kapotasana. We'll take Ekapada Rajakapotasana with the support of the chair, commonly known as Pigeon. So for this, you will stand roughly 2 feet away from the chair, ground the left foot on the mat, and place the right knee and the right shin onto the chair. And we'll take an extension here. You can bring your hands on the wall. Ensure your chair is firmly placed against the wall so you don't slip. And again, feel the stretch here. Now, if this is too easy, take the leg, the extended leg, further away from you, and you'll see that the stretch will intensify and you'll feel it in your right hip as well. Stay active in the back leg, don't leave it loose. Breathe. Very nice. Release. Let's take it to the other side. The right leg will come at the back. Firmly plant your right foot on the mat. And then place your left knee, your left shin on the chair. And feel an opening here in your hip. And it's of course opening your back as well. Breathe. One more deep inhale. And exhale, release. Gently come out of the pose. We don't need the chair anymore, so you can put it on the side. And we'll do some work against the wall. Now, place your feet hip width apart and they are about 6 inches away from the wall. Now here, the hips will be against the wall and we want to fold forward with the support of the wall. If you find this challenging, you can take the feet further away. It will become easier. So find a placement for your feet which is comfortable and then fold forward. We want to feel a stretch in the hamstrings. So from your hip to your knee, this connective tissue, that's where we want the stretch. The back is elongated. You don't want to round the back. Pull your stomach in slightly, engage your core and take 5 deep breaths, my friends. Very nice. Now from here we will fold forward, bringing the hands right in front of the feet. Again, you don't want to round the spine. Keep the ears away from the shoulders and try and feel the elongation in your lumbar back. The aim is to bring the chest closer to the thighs. And you will feel a stretch in your hamstrings and your spine will naturally elongate and decompress here. So the nerves that get pressed because of compression, they will naturally get relieved because you're creating space. Breathe. One more deep inhale. And with your exhale, release, come down. Now here, our next pose is Cobra against the wall. So just see what I'm doing. We'll come onto our knees. Feel free to put a cushion under the knees. And we'll place the feet up against the wall. You can clasp your hands together and feel a back bend here. Take a back bend. Breathe. Even though you are feeling a stretch which is slightly uncomfortable, it still feels like a relief, doesn't it? Breathe. Very nice. Gently come out of the pose, so roll onto one side. Come on to your knees. And now we will move to the mat and do the rest of the asanas on the mat. Alright, so we'll continue on the mat now. So, keep your feet hip width apart. And once again, we will take a forward fold, Uttanasana. Now here you can keep a bend in the knees, no problem. Bring your hands right in front of your feet. Now here, extend the right leg and keep a generous bend in the left leg and open the right arm towards the sky in a twist. You can keep a block, a book under your left hand if needed, if you need a lift. And you're twisting from the navel and you're releasing the pressure in your spine. Breathe. You'll feel a stretch in your right hip as well. Change sides. Right hand will come on the mat. Right knee will bend. Left leg will extend. And left arm will open towards the sky. Twist and look towards your left hand. Let's take it towards the right one more time. And towards the left. Right. Open the right arm. Left knee is bent. And towards the left. Very nice. Release the arm and come up. Now we'll take Prasarita Padottanasana. So feet open roughly 4 feet apart. Now here we'll send the hips back. Placing the hands on the mat, you can open the feet as much as you find comfortable. Now here again we will take a twist. So left hand will come on the mat or you can stay on your fingertips. And right arm will open towards the sky. You're twisting from the navel once again. Drishti is going towards the right hand. Take it to the left. Right hand comes on the mat. Left arm opens towards the sky. Take it towards the right one more time. Left. Right. Keep breathing. सांस रोकनी नहीं है आपको. Keep breathing. And take it towards the left. Last time. Very good. Release the hands. Take a forward fold. Releasing the head towards the mat. Very nice. Very gently bring a bend in your knees and slowly come up. Close the feet and come to seated. We'll come into our hands and knees position. Hands are directly under the shoulders, knees under the hips. With your inhale, you will look up. The belly will move towards the mat. And with your exhale, first the tailbone rounds, then all of the vertebrae one by one, and you look down chin to chest, Bitilasana to Bidalasana. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round the spine like a cat. Chin to chest. Keep pushing away from your hands. Inhale, chest opens, chin goes up. And exhale, tailbone goes down. Round the spine, look down, push away. Very nice. Come to neutral spine. Now knees will come together. We will sit back on our hips. Hands will extend in front. We'll take Balasana. So this is a counter stretch for all of the poses you've done until now. Feel the extension in your armpits and allow your body to relax now. Take the left hand towards the left, further out from the mat, and place the right arm over the left. Take a few breaths as you feel an extension in your right side body. We teach many more asanas. We teach Surya Namaskar, we teach yoga philosophy, pranayam, meditation in depth in our Yoga Sadhana series. The beginner program is starting soon. So if you want to deepen your learning, learn authentic yoga, then you can find the link in the description below. Take your arms towards the right. Right hand comes slightly off the mat and left hand comes on top of the right. Forehead on the mat. Feel the stretch in your left side body. Breathe, my friends. Come back to center. Extend the arms one more time. And lie down on your back. Friends, if you want to practice another yoga for backache flow, you can click here, and to do a guided Yog Nidra, a guided relaxation, click on this video. I'll see you again very soon. Namaste.